With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the question say filling the blanks A, B, C and D with the correct choice of words. First is a virus R. So what is virus R? So we can say that virus are nucleoprotein. Okay, as well as virus are acellular. So here A represent for nucleoprotein. Next, protected by a protein coat called B. Okay, so here we can say that protein coat is known as capsid. Okay, so here capsid is a protein coat. Okay, so capsid is made up of capsiomer. Okay, so see here first of all, this protein coat is made up of assembly of smaller units called C. So we know that capsid is polymer. Okay, so capsid is polymer and this polymer is made up of capsiomer. Okay, so here we can say that capsiomers are monomer unit. Okay, so multiple monomer unit combine and form capsid. Okay, so we can say that many capsiomers form capsid. So here option C represent for capsiomer. Okay, so now C for option D. So what is in option D? It protects the internal D of the virus. So what it protects? So we can say that it protects the internal genetic material. Okay, so here D represent genetic material. So we know that in virus, some virus consists DNA as a genetic material and some virus consist RNA as a genetic material. So here see first option. So first option is A is glycolipid, B capsule, C chain and D sugar. So this one is wrong. Why? Because A is nucleoprotein. Now see for option B is lipoprotein, B cover. So this one is also wrong. Option C is A is glycoprotein. So this one is also wrong. And option D is A is nucleoprotein. So yes, this one is right. B is capsid. So yes, this one is also right. C is capsiomers. Yes, this one is also right. And the D is genetic materials. So we can say that right answer is option D. So hope this answer your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.